On MEMEFI, the listing is coming closer, October 9th, 2024, and that means that more features are going to be rolling out before the claim will most likely happen. We saw the wallet come out and the spin, and there are other ways in which we can earn. I'm just going to be showing you a very important feature that will allow you to earn a lot of MEMEFI coins, hundreds of thousands, sometimes if you get lucky even up to millions, and it just depends on how you play your cards. What you do first of all is to head over to the MEMEFI mini app in Telegram. Then you go over to the spin feature right here. Of course, click on it, and then what we have here is your normal spin platform right here. You do 6 spins, it gives you 20k. You also have hold for auto spin, but there's also a better feature that has been recently added, and that is this spin times 1. If you play boinkers, you'll be able to know, although boinkers zone has a limit like 3 and then 5 if you're even lucky, but for this you can even increase it to 50, although it doesn't show as of yet because I don't have up to 50, so I won't be able to show you the full potential of this, but I have up to 5. So let's see what we can get in 5, and it's based on your luck, based on what you're able to get. So what does it do? When you say spin times 5 or spin times 1 or spin times 2, is the number that it actually takes. So if I do spin times 5, it will go back to 0 because I have 5 right now. But if it goes spin times 50 or spin times 25, it will take 25. But for it to actually be able to take 25, you need to have 25 of these energy tokens right here. And of course, if you don't have them, it wouldn't work. And it's because I have 5 that I can even do 5. So let's click on spin. You don't need to hold auto spin, just click spin. As you can see from a go, I was able to get 25,000 gold. So that's the compounded result of the results right here. And you're able to get up to 20,000. Now if you were to do 25, then you might even increase it times 5, and that will give you 125,000 gold. If you do 50, that will give you 250,000 gold. Depending on your luck, you can even put on up to 1 million, 100,000, and even more. So it just depends on what you receive from these rewards. It looks like instead of doing the 5, it did 1, so I won't be able to show you the 5, but from what I have here, you can see 30,000 gold. So that was even for 1. So it just depends on the compounding effect. It didn't work well because the MEMEFI is currently having a problem in the app, but normally it will once you have amassed. So what you need to do now is to save your spins. Don't be spinning every time, just be waiting until it probably fills or close to filling, and then take advantage of it. That's the strategy you can work with for the spinning app, and that's how you can earn millions within this 30 days before the listing. I hope you take advantage of it. That's it for this video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you for your time and for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then.